Guys, today we will upgrade the headlight bulb for the KIA Cerato 2014. We will upgrade the low beam bulb from halogen to LED like this one. Okay, it's easy way. Just open the hood and turn this cap to the left so you can get access to the headlight bulb. Okay, as you can see, this is the bulb, this is the low beam. It's H7, so turn it to the left and pull it out like this. This is the halogen. Okay, so you need to pull it out from the connector like this. Okay, now we will take the LED light. So it's a similar way to put it in. We need to put this plastic holder so it will fit perfectly in the spot. Before connecting it, you need to push it in its place like this, and you need to turn it to the right till you hear a click. This. Okay. Now we will connect the connectors. Okay, like this. And we need to push the connector also inside the bulb like this. Okay, as you know, the LED light is having a fan from the back side of it, so the cap will not fit. So we will take this rubber cap, you can buy it from any auto shop, and close it like this. You need to push it a little bit so you can fit it in its place perfectly. Now let's turn the headlights and see the result.